right, so this is the 6-inch hole saw. So it comes with this bit here. We just place it in to install this center bit here. Just put it in here, just tighten it on here. All right, it lines up, and then you just screw this down and it locks in these two little. Also comes with an extra drill bit here, and there's an Allen wrench that you use to tighten right here. This Allen wrench is to change out the drill bit. This whole saw has a variable teeth pitch. The advantage of the pitch is the reduction of vibration and the noise during cutting. It will result in a smoother cut. It's easy to cut a wide variety of materials like thick wood, plywood, plastics, drywall, soft plaster, cornholes, boards, and thin metals. It is made of M42. The cutting is easy, the kerf is flat and smooth. There's a spring on the drill bit here. The spring makes it so that when you're drilling, it automatically pushes the disc out. After you cut the hole, I give it a try on the drill here and see how well it cuts.
All right, so here we go. Go for the hole.
Turned out really nice, really easy to use, nice 6-inch hole.